There are many different types of assignments you can use inside Microsoft Teams. I'm going to show you real quick how to use a Microsoft form or quiz as an assignment. So what you'll have to start off by doing is finding one of your teams. Once you're in, you want to go to the Assignments tab. Now when I click Create down here, I have the option of a quiz. So when I click on that, it's going to bring up all of the forms I have created inside Microsoft Forms. So I could create one in there and just find it here and use it. I could have one that I used in the past. I could click on it and use it. The cool thing about this is when I assign it through here is it creates a new copy for each class. So that means instead of having periods 1 through 7 all together on one form, it's separated by classes. So you'll have a different form to review for class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, and so on. So we can reuse any form we have created, or we can create one and use it, or we can click right here where it says new form, and this will bring us right to Microsoft Forms. I could do create new quiz. Go ahead and give this a random title. You could add your questions however you want to build it. Once you're all done building it, make sure it's saved. Just close it out. And when you go back to create and quiz, the first option up here will be the form you created last. So that's our new quiz we just created. So I could click on that, click next, and it's going to create the assignment template for me to send out. I could change the title if I need to, enter my instructions. The points, because it's a quiz, will be based off however many points are set up inside the form. I could assign it to multiple classes. And again, when I assign it to multiple classes, it creates a new form for each class. So not all my data is not going to be all stuck together. I can look at it class by class. I can set my due date, my time, all of that's the same. When I'm ready to go, I click assign, and that'll get sent out to my classes. So that's using a form as an assignment in Microsoft Teams.